Mustang, which is owned by Graham Bethel. Brett Emmett is one of the few people anywhere in the world that's rated on over 100 types of aircraft. He owns and flies helicopters. He's the training captain for the Catalina. Tucked in number 4 is Mike Harvey. He flies Q300s for Air New Zealand. To the right, it's Peter Bors, also owns and flies the L-39 Albatross, the camouflage green, the Czechoslovakian injector suit flying later on. On the other side is John Street flying the Catalina.
Ladies and gentlemen, the more fun she'll have up on that wing. There she is, Peggy. Absolutely wonderful. Here she goes again, folks. Listen to the growl of this wonderful old engine. Over a wave. See Peggy there flapping around, adding some more lift, that's correct, Jim.
Now watching carefully, people.
Also, don't forget your merchandising. We've got jackets, we've got tops. The unprovoked and dastardly attack by Japan on Sunday, December 7th, 1941, a state of war has existed between the United States and the Japanese. Famous aircraft from our right.
Out in front there, which ADI was our first commercial airliner ever here in New Zealand. Operator, there it is on the roll now. Here it is, ADI, our first commercial airliner ever. Closely followed by the world's only flying dragonfly, based at Mandeville near Gore, in the deep south. ZK-AKY, one of our early National Air Corporation airliners, and this beautifully prepared Rapide. Dragonfly, Dragonfly.
Like they're heading out towards the west, maybe to take it out to one of the other exits down to the left-hand side of the airfield. To simulate their landing, and as they come in nice and low, you'll then hear the engines go to full blast as they push those throttles forward and simulate the overshoot.
Yeah, it's Richie here. I hope you can all hear me, but it's a bit different to last night. I didn't think of one of these things, but what an experience, mate. This is something you just dream of, and heaven of all. Thanks, mate. Well, you get to wave to the crowd. Very great position.
Two truly unmistakable sounds for you there, ladies and gents. The right of the Valkyries and the Iroquois Huey. Right, the Iroquois just done a little breakdown. It's going to start its display for us shortly with a wing over. The RNZAF has 14 Iroquois and 5 Sioux helicopters, all forming part of 3 squadrons. We've been operating these Iroquois for over 40 years. Rob's just completed a backwards climb for us, and this will be followed by a dive and a series of turns, after which he's going to prepare for a winching demonstration.
Well,